Welcome to the visual journey across the world, exploring air hostess uniforms from National Airlines in 2025. Air Algeria from Algeria. Traditional Aerolíneas Argentinas from Argentina. Modern Qantas from Australia. Iconic Austrian Airlines from Austria. Elegant Azerbaijan Airlines from Azerbaijan. Cultural Gulf Air from Bahrain. Luxurious Biman Bangladesh Airlines from Bangladesh. Classic Brussels Airlines from Belgium. Contemporary Latam Brazil from Brazil. Vibrant Royal Brunei Airlines from Brunei. Modest Bulgaria Air from Bulgaria. Simple Cambodia Angkor Air from Cambodia. Cultural Khmer Co from Cameroon. Bold Air Canada from Canada. Polished Latam Chile from Chile. Modern Air China from China. Elegant Avianca from Colombia. Vibrant Croatia Airlines from Croatia. Clean Cubana de Aviación from Cuba. Classic Czech Airlines from Czechia. Minimal Congo Airways from DR Congo. Bold Egypt Air from Egypt. Cultural Finnair from Finland. Scandinavian Air France from France. Fashionable Georgian Airways from Georgia. Traditional Lufthansa from Germany. Iconic Aegean Airlines from Greece. Mediterranean Cathay Pacific from Hong Kong. Refined Iceland Air from Iceland. Nordic Air India from India. Traditional Garuda Indonesia from Indonesia. Colorful Iran Air from Iran. Modest Iraqi Airways from Iraq. Classic Aer Lingus from Ireland. Signature ITA Airways from Italy. Stylish Air Cote d'Ivoire from Ivory Coast. Vibrant Japan Airlines from Japan. Refined Royal Jordanian from Jordan. Elegant Air Astana from Kazakhstan. Modern Kenya Airways from Kenya. Vibrant Kuwait Airways from Kuwait. Traditional Lao Airlines from Laos. Cultural Air Baltic from Latvia. Fresh Middle East Airlines from Lebanon. Classic Libyan Airlines from Libya. Simple Luxair from Luxembourg, clean. Malaysia Airlines, from Malaysia, iconic. Aeromexico, from Mexico, bold. Royal Air Maroc, from Morocco, cultural. Myanmar National Airlines, from Myanmar, traditional. Nepal Airlines, from Nepal, cultural. KLM, from Netherlands, signature blue. Air New Zealand, from New Zealand, modern. Oman Air, from Oman, elegant. PIA, from Pakistan, traditional. Copa Airlines, from Panama, professional. Latam Paraguay, from Paraguay, modern. Latam Peru, from Peru, contemporary. Philippine Airlines, from Philippines, colorful. Lord Polish Airlines, from Poland, classic. TAP Air Portugal, from Portugal, vibrant. Qatar Airways, from Qatar, premium. Taram, from Romania, classic. Aeroflot, from Russia, bold. Saudia, from Saudi Arabia, modest. Air Senegal, from Senegal, vibrant. Air Serbia, from Serbia, modern. Singapore Airlines, from Singapore, iconic. South African Airways, from South Africa. Korean Air, from South Korea, soft. Iberia, from Spain, warm. Sri Lankan Airlines, from Sri Lanka, traditional. Sudan Airways, from Sudan, modest. Swiss, from Switzerland, elegant. Syrian Air, from Syria, classic. Thai Airways, from Thailand, colorful. Tunisair, from Tunisia, classic. Turkish Airlines, from Turkey, modern. Turkmenistan Airlines, from Turkmenistan, traditional. UIA, from Ukraine, bright. Etihad Airways, from UAE, premium. British Airways, from UK, classic. Uzbekistan Airways, from Uzbekistan, bold. Conviasa, from Venezuela, vibrant. Vietnam Airlines, from Vietnam, traditional. Yemenia, from Yemen, modest. Air Zimbabwe, from Zimbabwe, vibrant. Scandinavian Airlines, from Denmark, minimal.